Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the miles calculator on the Singapore Air application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and click on this account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on miles at the top, tap on miles calculator, which is the fourth option, and then you will be directed to a website where you should scroll down and select your departure point first of all. So tap on the from section and after that click on the to section and select your destination, and then select whether it is a one-way trip or a return trip and calculate. Tap on the calculate button, and here you will be able to find the actual miles flown in economy, and you can also check it out by tapping on the more button in premium, economy, business and first suite. So you should select the class, and if you want to, you can also tap on the book now button to book your tickets if there's any available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.